Good day everyone. For today's generation, we're surrounded with various outfits wherever we go. In our daily lives, in order to look presentable to the eye of public, we prefer to wear stylish and aesthetic clothes, and at the same time, we're fitting ourselves for what is trend, for what people saw what style of majority is. It can be a streetwear, oversized shirts, crop shirts, or anything that caught the attention of public.
Are you looking for something that can dress you formally and aesthetically?
Or are you looking for minimalist clothes for a purpose of trying to impress someone along the way?
Good news! We heard you. Our product is out now. Presenting Text Layer Clothing Co. Your dream fit will encounter along the way. Text Layer Clothing Co. will give you what you deserve. Text Layer Clothing Co. Be who you are, we're proudly in public.
The first business tools to be used is value proposition canvas. It has a purpose of ensuring that our proposed product will satisfy the needs and wants of our customers. Through the process, our team will aim to achieve quality product that will cater for what the customer looks for.
Next one is the business model canvas. Of course, we want to plan everything properly and systematically. BMC is a perfect tool for that. It will help us to visualize and plan our business strategy by discussing everything that matters to know this thing.
Of course, we want our business to run smoothly. So one of those tools that we will use is the Lean and the Six Sigma. Through the process, we will eliminate waste in order to improve the quality and make sure that our product will serve our customers a good satisfaction. To achieve greatest outcome, our team will also use Pareto principle will help us to identify which initiatives to prioritize everything under control and efficiency.
Lastly, for planning everything strategically, our team will also use SWOT analysis by identifying the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.
Dito nga po pala kami sa Sumacabeste. And ito pinabili namin lokasyon para sa magtatayo po namin. So, napili po namin ito kasi along the highway and madali lang po sa mapunta. And kapag-person po yung pagtatayo namin ng business dito. Makikita niyo po, along the highway lang po kami. And ako, makikita niyo po. Madali lang po sa mapunta.
Here are the questions that we asked to our respondents, and we will be presenting the data that we gathered, or the data and information that we gathered in this survey. So before we conduct this survey, we sent our respondents a letter of participation as a form of agreement that they will be able to participate in our study. So, with adherence to the provisions of the Data Privacy Act of 2012, so our team will decide that all the data and information gathered will remain confidential as part of respecting the privacy of the respondents. In the part 1 of the questionnaire, which depicts to the demographics, the first question is their name, which is optional, and the respondents have 39 only responses out of 80. So when it comes to age, 19 to 20 years old, which is 46.9% of the total population, were voted for the 19 to 20 years old, while 37% of the total respondents voted for 16 to 80 years old, and the rest were 21 above. So this only depicts that majority of our respondents or the potential customers are youth. In sex, we have a total of 81 responses. So 56.3% are female while the 39.5% are male, which only means that is the combination of two genders. So our team will decide that we're going to produce a style of clothes which are applicable to both men and women. The next one is the employment status. So majority of the respondents, which resulted of the 90.1%, are students, while the remaining are unemployed and employed. When the respondents were asked about their preferences in clothing styles, this revealed in the chart that the casual wear, which resulted of 60.5%, were 49 out of 80 respondents were voted. Followed closely by minimalist, which is 44.4%, and the rest were streetwear, sportswear, formal, or summer outfit. So this only means that our team is going to produce more casual wear, and we will produce some style which is depicts the minimalist, streetwear, formal, summer outfit, or others, which regards to the preferences of the customer. So since the majority of the respondents are students and unemployed, this survey reveals the preference price range for clothing. So majority of the respondents voted for 300 pesos below. So this only means that our team will going to produce more affordable clothes. That is, yung swak siya sa mga budget bilang isang estudyante at walang trabaho.
So, how often do you buy clothes? So, 43.2% ng population bumoto sa twice a month. So, hindi magre-restock ng marami yung shop. So, siguro ano lang, tansyahan lang na pang-restock kasi once na nag-restock ng marami is malulugi siya. Where do you usually purchase clothes? So, pinakamarami kong bumoto is online, ano? So, magkakaroon po tayo siguro ng pa-commission sa online dito para makapagbenta pa ng marami sa online and para ma-reach out po nila tayo na mas mabilis. So, ano nga po ba yung nagmamatter sa isang damit? So, karamihan po kasi bumoto sa quality talaga. So, mas magpapokus po siguro yung business sa quality ng damit and doon talaga sa pagmatagal. So, yun. So, how is it important for you to look presentable to styling of clothes in public? So, pinakamaraming bumoto is 66.7. So, saan yan? Bumoto sila sa 5 and mas magpapokus po siguro yung business sa may patok sa masa ngayon or sa generation ngayon na mga design.
So sa chart na to, 50.6% ang sumagot ng maybe. So para masolusyonan po ito, maaari namin gawin na i-promote yung mga produkto namin sa social media para makuha po namin yung mga interest ng mga tao. So sa chart na to, 75.3% ang sumagot ng yes, which is a good sign dahil karamihan sa kanila ito consider yung business namin and yung location. Sa chart naman na to, tinutukoy nito ang mga possible challenges na pwedeng harapin ng business namin. So para masolusyonan po itong mga to, pwede po namin ayusin yung tamang presyo, siguraduhin po madaling makita yung lugar namin, and magkaroon po ng maayos na marketing strategies. Sa chart naman na to, 84% ang nagsagot ng yes. And para masigurado talaga namin na makukuha namin yung interest ng mga tao, sinisigurado namin na gagandahan namin yung quality and yung service ng business namin.
gathered 20 competitors' customers and ngayon naman po ay ipapresent namin ang mga questions and response ng aming mga respondents. So sa age naman ay 66.7% ang 19 to 20 years old, while sa 19% naman sa 21 years old and above, and 14.3% naman sa 16 to 18 years old. So ang majority lang ng aming respondents ay around 19 to 20 years old. Sex naman po ay 76.2% ang male and 23.8% naman ang female. Employment status naman ay 85.7% ang mga students and 14.3% naman ang unemployed. So it means that our respondents, majority ay mostly puro students. Dito naman ay mga kanilang personal preference and interest. So yung mga clothing store na hindi currently visiting. So since ang question na to ay optional lamang, yung mga respondents na naglagay ng mga kanilang kasagutan. So itong mga nilagay nila ay mga store tulad na lang ng Uniqlo, Dior, Romwe, Urban, Mera, and Crenshaw.
So the factors that you consider to shop there, yung pinakamataas na tatlo sa percentage ay yung price, style, tsaka yung design. So para po mas ma-improve po yung business namin, pagtutunan namin pansin yung price, gagawin namin mas affordable habang yung style tsaka yung design is the same lang or mas ma-improve namin para mas magpatok sa customer o mas madaming bili. So next po is yung price range of their product. For ang pinakamataas na percentage is 400 below. Next is yung 400 to 1,000. Then 1,000 and above. So based po sa sinabi ko po kanina na pinakamataas po ng percentage po sa dating kaninang graph is yung price. So mas bababaan namin yung presyo para mas madaming bumili po sa aming mga product. So next po is yung how will you rate the quality of your product. So based po dun sa average percentage po ng aming pagsasurvey is same lang po ang percentage po ng 5 star and 4 star. So and the rest po is 3 star lang. So based po ito is madami po mga nasatisfied na customer sa quality po ng mga product ng competitors. So ang gagawin po namin is improve po yung aming mga product, quality ng aming product, i-improve namin kasi ilan pa sa mga competitors. The next is what are the things that you like about their product. So yung tatlo pong mataas na percentage dito based on our competitor customers response is yung high quality, affordable price, tsaka trendy fashion. So, ang mga gagawin po namin is yung mga lalabas namin na product is yung mga kasabay sa uso habang mura siya, hindi yung mabigat sa pulsa, tsaka high quality habang
What are the things that you didn't want about their product? So 33% of the competitor respondent bumoto sa pricing and 33% bumoto rin sa physical store. So sinasabi lang dito na mas hinahanap nila is yung mas murang product at mas bumibili sila sa mas magagandang store o magagandang lugar. So yung hinahanap ng marami is ang aming teams gagawa ng more on casual style. Are you planning to switch to another clothing store? So 81% ng competitor respondents is bumoto sa maybe. So hindi pa sila sigurado kung magpapalit sila ng clothing store pag nagtayo na kami ng panibagong store.
Good afternoon po. Please state your name, age, and your address po.
My name is Rian Angela Vivar, 16 years old from Malapan, Manila.
My name is Colleen Keith Gilpapia. I'm 17 and I'm from Pantacangana High School.
So, mahilig po ba kayo mag-style po forma po sa damit?
Yeah, especially kahit casual day lang. Okay lang.
Ano po yung mga preference nyo sa clothing style?
Since yung weather natin is very tropical, ang preference ko is hindi masyadong naka-jacket naman. Basta more on t-shirts and pants. These days, ginagamit natin ngayon mostly is mga baggy pants.
Kung ano po yung suitable sa akin, like for example po, casual po.
So, pwede nyo po bang sabihin kung meron po kayong isang brand na binibilhan po ng mga pang-forma?
Oh, brand. Mostly fast fashion, may tawag doon. Like H&M, Uniqlo, and since meron ng online, like TikTok shop, any brand, basta brand sa TikTok.
Similar din po sa kanya, Uniqlo, H&M, tapos Guess, and Levi's.
Ano po yung mga factors na kino-consider nyo? Bakit po yun yung shop na napili nyo na bilhan ng mga pang-forma?
Kasi, on time siya. Kung ano yung like very uso ngayon, nag-upgrade yung mga mga categories, styles. Hindi siya nagsisettle sa sa kung ano lang yung style before. Kung mga nag-upgrade siya over time.
Yung mga binanggit ko po kasi, good quality sila. Like, marami pong taong gumagamit. Kaya, yun.
Since we are researching now po kasi we are planning to establish a business po within the boundaries of Sumakap Este near NAUST. Kung if ever man po na makonsider po namin yung mga quality na gusto nyo dun po sa isang shop, may possibility po ba na mag-ship kayo ng store or willing po ba kayo pumunta sa if ever po na magtayo po kami ng business sa Sumakap Este?
Yeah. With explanation po ba ba? Or if the price is is like considered or it's matching the quality of the clothes, well yeah, we can consider buying from that store.
Similar din po sa kanya, if the price fits the quality po. Kasi doon po na pumunta kami sa
By interpreting the results of the survey, our team utilized graphs and charts to identify the highest percentage of customer preferences. Through that process, our team was easily determined of what's the majority preferences of our target customers were. All the questions that were asked to the respondents were presented clearly one by one. The results are simply presented through the graphs and charts, which shows the data and percentage in each question.